What you eating? What you eating? Hey, little boy. Are you eating peas? Did mommy split your hair down the middle? And there's some pieces sticking up in the back. Yes. Yes. Say yum. Say yum. Can you say yum? Can you say yum? I think there are more peas down your little overalls than there are in your mouth. But you sure do like your peas. Alright, this is a boring video. You like your peas? Can I get a smile or something? No, Mom, I'm busy eating peas. I gotta use the other hand. What is on your hand? I love you. Bye-bye. 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 You're not going anywhere, Mom. Bye-bye. Really? Really? Are we going to a concert now? Yeah? We're going to see a swing band for free at the beach. Just like 10 minutes away. So you're going to eat your peas and then we'll go. We're all ready to go whenever you are. Okay. I love you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Whee! Pow. 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 Blah, 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 pow. Just snapping fingers, that's all I'm doing. Okay, bye-bye. Wanna try snap? Snap. Snap. Nope. You wanna get out. Okay, are you done with your peas? Yes? On that note, we'll say bye-bye.